How to update the Bigo Live app. Keeping your Bigo Live app updated on your iPhone ensures that you have the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements. It's crucial for best streaming experience. Let's make sure your Bigo Live is always correct. First, go to iPhone's home screen and tap on the App Store icon. Then in the App Store, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner. This takes you to your account page. Scroll down to see if Bigo Live is listed under upcoming automatic updates or available updates. If it is, tap on update next to it, just like this. This update will download and install automatically. If Bigo Live isn't listed, it means your app is already up to date or automatic updates are enabled. You can always pull down to refresh the updates list. Keeping a Bigo Live updated ensures that you're always enjoying the best version of the app. Stay current and enjoy. Like and subscribe for more essential app maintenance tips.